Hello. From image to text feature, you can easily convert text that include in your picture into separate text. Also, copy to where you want. Follow this step on Office app. Second feature you got from the Office app is image to table. You can copy a separated table from image or open with Office 2016 mobile app. Follow this. When you need sign-on PDF as digital signature, follow this step. Also, you can add image of signature as you expect. Next, you can convert a picture into PDF in just 5 seconds. Follow up steps. These are the choices to use from this app for easy usage. Subscribe and press bell icon for more video. Thank you.